Hello everyone. The present case is also a writ filed by Advocate Damodar Ghimire against the order of Government of Nepal which gave facilities of exemption of certain taxes on imported vehicles by high level dignitaries. Let's move on to the facts. Ministry of Finance published a notice in Nepal Gazette as per Section 9 of Custom Act 2019 and Section 21 of Sales Tax 2023 granting exemption to elected and appointed members of parliament and high level dignitaries from custom duty and sales tax on imported vehicles. Application was filed to the Supreme Court stating that the principle of equality is enshrined in the Constitution. Constitution has not created different class of citizen, namely high level and low level citizens. Moreover, Section 9 of Custom Act and 21 of Sales Tax Act is against the principle of equality as it is discriminatory and creates a class of privileged citizen. Now, let us look at the relevant extract of the Act. As we can see, Section 9 of Customs Act 2019 allowed the Government of Nepal to grant certain exemptions on goods imported to Nepal and also allowed Government of Nepal to grant special facilities to certain individuals by publication of notice in the Nepal Gazette. Similarly, Section 21 of Sales Tax also allowed the Government of Nepal to give a partial or full exemption on sales tax by publication of notice in the Nepal Gazette. The Supreme Court gave verdict against the writ by stating the following reasons. The said provisions were enacted to delegate the authority from the legislative to the executive so as to make timely policy changes in the revenue policy. If the issues like imposition, collection, repeal, waiver, changes in taxes which are within the jurisdiction of legislature has been delegated to the executive by formulation of an act, then such act cannot be said to be against the law. Moreover, the principle of equality envisaged by our constitution is a relative concept. Equality is always based on relative terms. Absolute equality is neither possible nor necessary. The principle of equality guarantees that those in equal circumstances are dealt with equally in law. The writ is unable to point out under what circumstances discrimination was made between particular persons. Finally, the Supreme Court stated that just because the facilities provided to high ranking government officials and general citizens are not similar, it cannot be said that the principle of equality has been violated. Therefore, the writ was quashed.
Thank you for listening us and please post your comments on our Facebook page or our YouTube channel. Bye. Enjoy Nepal.